Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand a tool which is the most popular tool and highly authentic when it comes to keyword research for your Google Ads campaign, and that tool is called Google Keyword Planner. And as the name suggests, it is officially provided by Google, and the best part is it is already there inside your Google Ads account, so you are not supposed to create any other account on any of the website. So in order to access this Google Ad account, what you need to do is you just need to log into your Google Ads account that we had already created. Once you are in your Google Ads account, then you need to go to tools, go to planning, click on this drop down in the planning, and then you will see this option called Keyword Planner. Just click on this option. Once you click on this option, you will come here and you will see two options, that is discover new keywords, get search volume, and forecast. So inside the Google Keyword Planner, both tools are available, but if you want to research for new keywords, the first option is suitable. But if you have keywords already researched from the first option or from anywhere else, and you want to know what are the possible, the average search volume or the possible clicks in the future based on the market scenario, then you will go for get search volume and forecast. So as of now in this video, our objective is to understand this particular tool. So click on discover new keywords, and the best part is that you can either insert your keyword or you can start with scanning any particular website if you are not aware about the keyword. And the second thing, that you can select the location. By default it is India. If you want keyword research for a particular location, let's say Delhi, because as soon as you change the area from broad to narrow, then the number of search volume or the search volume will reduce for sure, because the number of searches happening all over India for a keyword is definitely higher as compared to the number of searches for a keyword happening in particular state, city, or area. So I am just taking an example of Delhi. Let's say I am running a digital marketing institute in Delhi that is providing offline coaching for digital marketing course. So I want to target only Delhi because outside Delhi I cannot provide my services. So that's why I've selected the city or country or area, that is Delhi. Now click on save, and now you can start typing any of the keyword. Let's say the basic keyword which my target audience will search on Google, that is digital marketing course. This is the bare minimum keyword, digital marketing course, and you can add up to 10 keywords. So as soon as you add one keyword, click on enter. This will turn your keyword into a separate particular thing. Now you can again enter another keyword. Let's say digital marketing classes, right? It is not mandatory that you give up to all 10 keywords. It is okay if you give one or two, because if you give one keyword, at least it will fetch all the ideas possibly around that keyword. It will understand the meaning. It will fetch all the possible terms and keywords. So let's say start with 2. Now click on get results. And now here you can see the data which is there, and this is called the Keyword Planner dashboard. Now you can see the plan from today's date and the time. These are the two keywords that I initially entered. This is the location that I entered. This is the English. You are searching for Google. Right now the data which is being shown, it is based on last 12 months data. If you want last month, custom, last 12 months, or 24 months, or all available data, you can choose that. But ideally it will show you the data or the volume based on last 12 months, which is the recent 12 months. Now there are other options on the right hand side, that is refine keywords. Based on what? Based on brand, non-brand, course, schooling, service, others. But as of now I don't want to refine these keywords. I just want to look how this particular keyword tool function and how can I utilize it. Now if I scroll, these are the keyword that I have provided, that is digital marketing course, digital marketing classes, which is in Delhi. The search is happening in only Delhi. Now there are various columns. Let's understand one by one. First is keyword by relevance. So what are the relevance keyword that you have inserted based on that whatever Google has fetched. The second is average monthly searches. It means on an average in a month how many searches are happening on Google for that particular location. And why I'm saying that average, because it takes average of last 12 months, last 2 months, last 24 months, because it is a possibility that in some month the searches were high, in another month searches were low. So it takes out average. Instead of showing low and high, it takes out the average, and every tool always show you around average monthly searches, and that's why it is called average monthly search. And you can see the range. It will not show you the exact data, because again, as I say, it is a range based on that this is the lowest average and this is the highest average. And when you export this data, that we will do in this video, it will show you some number which is close to, accurate. So this is the first column, average monthly searches. So you can see the popularity of these keyword, and you can of course, if these are high searches keyword, of course the competition will be definitely high. So this is the average monthly search volume. 3-month change. Is there any change in last 3 months, whether the number of searches increased or decreased? No, there is no significant change. 0. Year on year change. Is there any change year on year, growth or decline? No, there is no change in these keywords, specifically keyword as of now. Competition is high. Competition is high. As I said, that if this is the keyword for you which can generate potential business, definitely your competitors will also be using the same keyword, and that's why the competition is high. Competition will be low, medium and high. These are the 3 levels of competition that you will see. Average impression share, by default it will not show you because it depends on the real time competition. Top of the page, bid, low range. It means in order to show your ads on the top of the page, because if you see closely for Google Ads, let's say if I search for Digital Marketing Institute in Delhi, for example, right? I am writing this. Now you will see ads, of course, on the top of the page, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 top of the page. But if you scroll down, you will also see ad bottom of the page. That is this one. So in total, there will be top 4, ads on the top of the page, that is 4, and there will be 3 bottom of the page, that is 3 ads. In total, 7 ad placements are there on a single page when you search something on Google. So to rank your advertisement or to rank your ad on the top 4, the lowest bid in the based on last 12 months data, which is 57 rupees if you are only competing with Delhi players, and the highest bid is 144. Now it is a range 57 to 144. This is range based on last 12 months, but whether you will get the same bid or whether you will be charged the same amount, it is not compulsory. Maybe you can, or you may be charged above the highest bid, because if the competition is intense, if the other bidders are paying more, then Google may charge you more. So this is just a estimation, and based on this estimation you can set your budget. Okay, that if you, let's say, want 100 clicks in a day, for example, if you want 100 clicks on a day, so your ideal budget should be 5,700 minimum, and maximum is 14,000. So from 5,700 to 14,000, that is your ideal range if you want 100 clicks a particular in a day, if you from Google Ads for your targeted keyword. Then the next campaign is account status. As of now, we don't have included anything. Now these are the 2 keywords that we have provided. Now based on these, the Google has fetched the relevant keywords, and you can see the status of each and every keyword is there. At around 2,100 keywords Google has fetched. Now, how will we identify which one is useful for us and which one is not useful for us? So if you have watched my previous video, that is the type of keywords based on user intention, then you must be knowing what kind of keywords should we use. Now, in order to filter this list, what we'll do, we'll just click on this download icon and we'll export into Google Sheet or CSV. These are 2 options. So now in order to filter these options, what we'll do, first we'll export these keywords. So there is a download icon on the top. Click on this. There are 2 options. Either you can export this list in CSV format or in Google Sheet. Google Sheet gives you flexibility that it is online. You are not supposed to download it. So we'll just click on Google Sheet. By default, it will be saved in your Google Drive with the same account that you are using with your Google Ads. So yes, of course, we have to use the same account. So choose this one. And it will ask for the permission. You can give the permission, or it will take automatically. Once it is preparing the report, and once it is done, it will show you the option to open the sheet, and you can just need to click on that, and all this data, that is 2,100 keyword ideas, that will be exported in a Google Sheet. So just click on open sheet. And now you can see all the data is being exported into the Google Sheet. Now, not all the columns are important for us. The columns which are important for us, we'll keep it, and others will remove it. So all the columns after this, or from here, or till the right hand side, are not relevant because those do not have any data. So what we'll do, we'll click on shift and we will select all these columns. We'll click on shift and we'll select all these columns. Or what you can do is you can select one column. You can select one column, shift plus command or shift plus delete, whatever, and then click on delete. So control plus shift, and then you can choose all the columns on the right hand side, and it is being deleted. Now from the top, I just do the sticky header so that the header remains the same, and the currency will be same because I am not changing the country or area. So in Delhi is the targeted area and the country is INR. So I'll just delete this column. Average monthly search here is important for us. 3 months change, year on year change. is, it hardly matters, because when you actually run the Google ads, you will see the exact data. So I'll just delete this column as of now. Competition, yes. Competition, end of in India, top of the bid, bottom of the feed, yes. So these are the important option. And now I'll just click on Control here, Command A, and then I'll just wrap this data, and I'll convert this data into, table format, so that I can use multiple filters, I can use multiple options, and just filter these from the list, right? So I'll just click on Control A, and I can just click on this and say I convert to table. So this is converted into table. Now first we will sort this data, because we want the high search volume on the top and the least search volume on the bottom. So what I'll do, there is a B column, so I'll just click on the B column, drop down button, and then I click on sort Z2A, that is highest to lowest, and then I click on Z2A. Now the keyword having highest average monthly searches are on the top, and which are having lowest average monthly searches are on the bottom. And as a standard rule, if you are choosing the keywords for your business purpose and not the awareness purpose, then my suggestion would be, then don't go beyond or below 50 searches. Even if it is very specific. If it is specific, then go below 50. But if it is not that specific, don't go below 50. It means whatever searches having average monthly volume below 50, we will not include those. And you can see the 50 searches. And in this case, we will get away the options having the 50 search volume. We can keep it only 100. So even the options which are below 50 or 50, we'll just remove that. So just select the row which is having the initial 50, Command Shift and press the arrow icon for the bottom, and you can remove all other options. That's how you can get rid of all the options which are not relevant. Now you are left with specific keywords. That is, in my case, I have left with around 102 or 100, all you can say 100 keywords which are relevant for me and having the search volume. Now let's identify which one to choose and which one to go away with, because it is not mandatory that always highest average monthly search volume keyword will be beneficial for you. So digital marketing course, if I am providing digital marketing course or classes, of course this is highly important keyword for me. Digital marketing classes, yes. Course digital marketing, yes. Class digital marketing, yes. Digital MKDG, although this means digital marketing, but I am not sure whether if a person is searching for only digital marketing, maybe that person is trying to understand the meaning, just know the definition, just hanging around or just searching around. But if he or she is looking for the classes, I am not sure. It means this particular keyword can, I would say, has lowest potential to bring revenue for me or to bring relevant leads for me. So I'll just mark it as a red or something which is highlighted, that I'll not choose this keyword. Same as you can go with other keyword. Google digital marketing course, no, Google's digital marketing course is free. I am not providing that course, so I'll just mark it as yellow, that I'll not use it. Digital marketing course near me, yes, it is relevant. Digital marketing classes near me, yes, this is relevant. Digital Garage, Google, again it is a free course provided by Google. I don't want to spend my money on a free course which is offered by Google, and people are interested in that and not my course, so I'll just exclude that keyword. So although these has high volume, but since they are not relevant to me, I'll not spend my money on this. Digital Marketing Institute near me, this is relevant. Institute of Digital Marketing, yes. Delhi Institute of Digital Marketing. Now these are the brand keywords as well, that if some digital marketing institute is popular in my area and people are searching directly for that, I can either go with that keyword, because I also have the Digital Marketing Institute, but the higher chances is that people are looking for that particular institute. But in my opinion, people use these keywords as well to target their competitors' traffic, because nobody knows that what is the official website of Digital Marketing Institute of particular brand. So if you can play, or you can take a risk of small amount, that if people are searching for that, they are highly interested people, they know the brand, they know the what kind of services that they are being offered by that particular brand, and you can target them with a small budget. So as of now, I can include that. Digital marketing course price, yes. Digital marketing course, Google digital marketing classes, again this is a free course by Google. I don't want to spend my money on that. Similarly, Google classes digital marketing, I don't want to use that. So similarly, you need to filter out all the keywords which are not relevant for your business or on which you don't want to spend any money, because as I said, Google Ads is always about paid marketing. Every click will cost you, every impression will cost you. So don't spend your money on unnecessary keywords or low potential keywords which cannot bring 100% or result or high ability to produce result for you. So similarly, you can filter out all these list keywords, and you can filter this list. Once the list is done, the filtration is done, then you will be left with only those keywords which are relevant for your business based on your targeting, based on your offerings. You can do this exercise multiple times and you can filter out these keywords. Now the question comes, how many keywords should we ideally take in our targeting? It is not any specific count that you should take 50 keywords, 100 keywords or 200 keywords. At least start with, let's say, 5 or 10 keywords depending on the volume. If you start with even 5 keywords, later or sooner, as soon as you run campaign, Google will start giving you more search ideas, more search term on which your Google ads is being triggered. So slowly and gradually you can find more keywords, and you will also learn in the process that the initial keywords that you selected, maybe not all 100% giving you the results. Maybe let's say 20% of them are giving you result and 80% are just not performing well. So it is a possibility that initially you decided, but later or sooner you may need to remove them and include new keywords. So it is an ongoing exercise. It is not a one-time exercise that you do, but it is an ongoing exercise, and every time you see the result, because keyword is not important for you, the result matters the most. So whatever keyword brings more result, you will include that. The keyword which is not getting the result, you will remove them. It is not an attachment that you have selected initially and now you have to bear with it. No, you can remove or add any kind of keyword on runtime each and every hour, each and every day. But I will not recommend that you change your campaign every hour or every day. At least you have to provide 3 or 4 days to optimize that change and then take another step. So that we'll talk about in the part of Google ad optimization later in this video series. But in this video, we learned how to use this Google Ads keyword planner tool that is absolutely for free inside your Google ad dashboard and gives you most authentic data that no other tool can give you apart from Google keyword planner. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.